Hello everyone, this is Varsha. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your Angular CLI version globally on your Windows system. Um, Suppose you have existing project in Angular CLI's older version, then you need to update Angular CLI version by using ng update command. And if you have Angular 14 version, then you need to update from Angular 14 to 15 first. Then um, you can update from 15 to 16 and then 16 to 17 and so on. Now I'm going to show you if you are going to create new project and in that new project you want to use the latest version of Angular CLI, then you can use this command npm install -g Angular CLI direct latest. But if I directly try to install this command, then it is giving me error. Operation not permitted. So to resolve this error, you can open Visual Studio Code as in administrative mode in this way. And now if you try to update Angular CLI, then it will not give that error. Let me first close that window. So I opening Visual Studio Code in administrative mode. If you want to update your npm version, then you can use this command npm install -g npm, and instead of version you can write here latest. In this way you can update your Angular npm version also. So now I will show you how you can update Angular CLI version. See, it has successfully installed latest Angular CLI version. See, my older version was 14 and now it has successfully installed 19.2. So if you are also facing this issue, then you can use this trick to resolve that issue. Thank you.